If you're looking to protect your channel's content on Telegram and keep your messages from being copied, forwarded, or shared by others, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable Telegram's content restriction feature, and by the end, you'll have more control over how your information is shared online. Let's get started right away. First, open the Telegram channel where you want to limit sharing. This is important because content restriction works on a per-channel basis, so you'll need to enable it individually for each channel you manage. Just tap on your channel from the main chat list to enter. Once you're inside your channel, look towards the top where your channel's name is displayed. Tap on the channel name itself. You'll see a page with your channel info, members, description, and so on. To edit these settings, you'll want to tap the little pencil icon up in the top right corner. This brings you into the Edit menu, where you can control everything about your channel, including content privacy. Now, from the list of editing options, find the one labeled Channel Type. Give that a tap. This section is not just about whether your channel is public or private, it's also where Telegram has tucked away some pretty powerful tools for controlling who can interact with your content. Imagine this as the settings room where you decide just how open you want your digital doors to be. Scroll down a bit until you see the area titled Saving Content. This part controls whether your subscribers can copy text, forward your messages to other chats, or even save images and media from your channel. If you're concerned about your posts being spread outside the channel, this is exactly what you want. Here, simply toggle on the Restrict Saving Content option. What this does is put up a virtual barrier. After this, your subscribers won't be able to copy your posts, forward messages elsewhere, or download files or images you share on the channel. It's almost like making your content view-only, so you can share confidently, knowing your material isn't easily taken out of context or distributed beyond your community. It's an especially helpful feature for channels sharing exclusive content, study materials, or any sensitive updates. After you turn on the restriction, don't forget to save your changes. Look to the top right and you should see either a checkmark or a done icon. Go ahead and tap that to lock in the new setting. If you miss this step, nothing will change, so always make sure you finish by saving. You might have to wait a second for Telegram to update the settings, but once it's done, you're all set. That's all there is to it. Take a breath, you've just made your Telegram channel a lot safer. You can repeat this process for any other channels where you want this level of control. If you ever change your mind, just follow these steps again and turn the restriction off. Remember, managing who can access and share your content is an important part of moderating any online space. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. It really helps out the channel. Got questions or need clarification on any step? Drop me a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And if you want more straightforward Telegram tips and tutorials like this, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and take care of your content.